Hello,
Where
Mother.
did you get that?
It's Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Your son. Where did I get what? This ball?
That big ball, I saw it.
Yeah, do you know what this ball's for?
Yeah, you do exercise.
It's not for bouncing like that. Yeah, I'm going to take this desk chair of Father's and I'm going to use the ball and I'm going to sit on the ball because you know I've had a bad back for a little bit and I'm still trying to strengthen it. So I'm gonna take this ball and see if it's gonna work here. I've heard that people do that. And incidentally, what the heck are you doing? Oh, there she goes. If she had, or if I had $1 for every hour my mother played this game, solitaire, I would be a rich man.
You would be filthy rich.
You do this in the middle of the night. She'll stay up till 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning just playing this. You know, it keeps her active. She likes it. She said it helps her relax. And she gets a little bit of movement on her arms. And, you know, you do that when you crochet making those hats too, you know?
Yeah.
And I like it when you do that because then you're off of this game. Now I'm gonna tell you something. You know, Windows just came out with Windows 10.0 or something for their system. Do you know what everybody's pissed off about? Guess what?
They can't play solitaire.
Well, they can play solitaire, but I think they're going to start charging people $1.50 a month in order to play this. or I think you can spend $10 a year and you get to play your solitaire as much as you want. How about that? Would you keep playing this solitaire if you had to spend $1.50 a month?
No.
Yes, you would. I know you would. I know you would.
Oh, no.
Okay, but you know what? That's not what this video is about. I'm getting this set up and I'm going to test this out to see if this is the right height, this ball. Is there a right and wrong reason or way to set up this ball? I think there is. I'm going to sit on here and I was told by a professional, ball adjustment person, that when you're sitting on one of these balls for a desk or something, you want your legs, as you sit on it, you want your legs perfectly level. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but it looks like my legs are kind of coming up at a slight angle, which tells me I got to blow this ball up a little bit. And you know, you can go to the store and there's like 3 or 4 different sizes of these balls. It's like, which one do you get? Well, you could ask somebody about it and see the right height that you need if you're going to sit there. And I've seen these balls at people's desks before, and maybe they're up too high. If you're sitting up too high and your knees are angled downwards instead of level, then you've got the wrong adjustment. You can maybe lower the pressure on your ball or get a different ball or something. I feel like I'm pretty low here, first off, you know. You see, if I'm sitting like normal, okay, my legs are going up just a little bit too much. So I'm going to put some more air in here and see what happens. But that's going to help my back stay straight and kind of get it off of the chair. Now with the chair, you know, this chair is a nice comfortable chair. And when I sit in here, I could put a pillow back here to kind of get me so I'm sitting up more as I'm relaxing. But most people have a tendency on a chair like this to sit here and kind of maybe slouch a little bit as they're on here. And I keep having to remind myself, sit up and try to sit up straight and not lean back too much as I'm working on here to strengthen your back, okay? So I'm going to try for a while of just using this ball. And I'll show you. And I think that's going to be good. It seems like I'm way too low, so you know, I think I need to be up about like that. And as long as I'm pretty much level, that's what I want. when you pump these up, there's a right way and a wrong way to pump these up. And if you don't have one of these, you're never going to blow it up. And what you want to do is when you usually get a ball like that, you're going to get a pump, something like this, and it's got a tip. See how much bigger this is than a regular needle? If you get a needle to blow up a basketball or a football, you've got the wrong needle. You've got to get one of these and save this for next time you need to blow up your bouncy ball.
Don't do me anymore.
don't do you anymore.
No.
Well, you were sitting there, you know, kind of interested in what I was saying. Does that all make sense? Maybe we should have you sit on this ball and try that too. What do you think?
Yeah.
I mean, it might help you with your posture, and you know, I don't know. Okay, keep playing your game.
Well, I already clicked out.
You did? Amazing.
Yeah. I gotta go water my plant.
Okay.
Give it a drink. My flowers.
Yeah. Is this your day to be watering? You only have 2 days a week to do that. I don't think this is your day.
I don't think it is either, but my plant is dry.
Okay.
These are some that I just have to hand water.
All right. Just a
It's
little
in
bit
the
of water.
courtyard.
I'll give you an okay to do that. Just don't turn the sprinklers on,
No. We need to turn the sprinklers on to check them out. Make sure they're going on, all of them are going on the lawn, because
Yeah.
when I came home the other night, there was water going down the gutter right from my lawn. And
Oh
that's
no.
Bad, bad, bad.
Well, that's because your lawn is at an angle, and maybe, you know, even though we can only put the water on 2 days a week, I've got the system set for 2 different times during once late at night, once in the morning. And what I could do is there's 3 stations on there, and one of the first ones, instead of doing it for 6 or 7 minutes, I could do it for 3 minutes and then wait for maybe, let's say, an hour, and then do another 3 minutes, and then the water will give a chance to soak in to the grass more so than running off. What do you think about that?
I think that would be a good idea.
Okay. I'll work on that this morning for you.
Yeah,
All right.
I hate to see it running down the gutter.
I know.
If the water policeman comes by,
Yeah,
he might give me a fine.
we won't want that at all.
No way.
No way, Jose. And you can do stuff like this in your spare time. Oh yeah. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.